Welcome back to Computer Components. Today, we have an exciting comparison between 5 diverse laptops, each designed for different needs and budgets. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or a professional, we've got something for you. Let's dive in. Lastly, we have the HP newest 14 ultra-light laptop, designed with students and business professionals in mind. While the specific specs aren't listed here, HP's ultra-light laptops typically feature reliable performance, good battery life, and a durable build, making them ideal for everyday use, whether you're taking notes in class or working on presentations. For those looking for a balance between performance and portability, the Acer Aspire 3 A314 23P R3QA is an excellent choice. It comes with a 14-inch Full HD IPS display, AMD Ryzen 5 7520U quad-core processor, and AMD Radeon graphics, with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. This slim laptop offers a great performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. Wi-Fi 6 ensures you stay connected with faster speeds and better range. Moving on to a more high-end gaming option, we have the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. This beast features an Intel Core i7-1365HX processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, and a stunning 16-inch Quad XGA display with a 165Hz refresh rate and G-Sync technology. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB Gen 4 SSD, it's built for serious gamers who need top-notch performance and speed. Plus, killer Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast and reliable internet connectivity. Next, we have the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. Powered by an Intel Core i5 V1342 processor and equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, this laptop is a solid choice for gamers on a budget. The Nitro V offers great performance for most modern gamers and includes features like enhanced cooling systems and a high refresh rate display for smoother gameplay. It's not just for gaming, it can handle productivity tasks with ease. First up, we have the Apple MacBook Air with an Intel Core i5 processor, clocking in at 1.6 GHz. This 13-inch unit comes with 4GB of RAM and a 128GB SSD. It's perfect for everyday tasks like browsing the web, streaming videos, and light productivity. The sleek silver design is classic Apple, offering portability and style. However, the 4GB RAM might be limited for more demanding applications. And there you have it. 5 laptops catering to different needs and budgets. From the sleek and stylish MacBook Air to the powerhouse Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. There's something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching Computer Components, and we'll see you in the next video.